can make a nicer navigation bar is really using the rectangle, and you could hit R to get a rectangle. So I'm going to hit the R key, and now if I click, a rectangle comes on. So now let's say I want to make this look much nicer. This is nice. Now I can go and add some plugins. Let's get some of our plugins. I'll go to the Iconify and I just searched for fun. I want to put some fun. Ooh, okay, let me get some fun here. Fun. And let's do this smiley face. This looks fun. And let's get a third fun thing. Let me bring that back again. Okay, and now let me make sure they're even. 44, 44. Although, let's see if I can get some. Okay. All right. Now with the rectangle, I'm going to make this a component. And now I have this new component. I'm going to make a copy of it. And I'm going to put it over here so it fits the screen much nicer. And now I'm going to make a second one. I hit F for frame. I'm going to do that iPhone. This one is going to have another copy of this. And I just did Control C and V. And I want this to be a link. And this is going to be to our new screen, not the old one. And this one will be to our second one. Okay, and our third one we don't have yet, but we can see the difference between our welcome this. But you can see like this type of navigation bar might be nice too, and it's a little bit of a different color. And here, actually, I'm going to move this phone screen down so they look the same size, which they are. And now we can hit run. Let's just make sure our first, found it, flow starting point, flow 4. And now we click and it's the page. So you could play around with this. You're going to do hopefully a much better job than me. You can see this comes up a little to the screen, so maybe you'd move this lower. You can think about ways to align these better. But you can see you can have a lot of fun and you can make things in your screens. And it's a little bit of a learning curve, but you just spend the time and, you know, it's like doing any homework project. And this is something that's even more meaningful because you can really create apps that could make a difference. Thanks for watching.